everyone, it's me, Bubba. I'm here with Uncle Manny and we're gonna make some vegan ceviche. Hope you enjoy.
Hello everyone, my name is Manny. I'm here with my assistant Bubba. We've been invited by the Poly Vegan Kitchen to share a nice raw meal with you. So we're going to go over some ingredients. We're going to put it together and then we're going to taste it. Does that sound good? Okay. Yeah. So let me go over some ingredients. So this is a vegan ceviche. So usually it is made with either fish or some other type of meat. But today we're going to make it with even something better. You can make it two ways. The first one is with TVP. So this is a dehydrated soy protein. You can find it usually the bulk section of your stores, but it's really good because it absorbs the flavor, whatever marinade you use. In this sense, if you use lime juice, it soaks up that flavor and it makes it really good once it gets hydrated again. You can also make it with cauliflower. You can also make it with quinoa. But today we're going to make it really fresh with cauliflower. So let me show you some of the other ingredients that we're going to use. Because in ceviche, usually there is like a juice that is within the bowl. So we have the typical ones, which is onion, avocado, and then you can use garnishes such as cilantro and some corn. And then what gives this juice when you add the lime juice is cucumber, tomato, and then we're also gonna add some lime juice to that. That's also gonna keep the avocado fresh. And then we're gonna top it off with some salt. So all of this, it goes really good on a nice hot summer day because it just gives you that fresh feeling, you know. And then we're gonna show you there's two ways to put it on top after. But let's put it together. So Bubba, can you put the cauliflower in here for me, please? And then we're gonna also add some of the onion. Can you add some cucumber to that? And then I'll add the tomato. Again, remember you don't want to lose the juice of any of the cucumber and tomatoes because this is really what's gonna make the marinade even better once it sits there. So we're adding that. Here, Bubba, you can add some of this while you're eating our ingredients. We're gonna add some avocado as well. Now, one of the other things that you can add, if you are brave enough, is you can add jalapeños. So dice up some jalapeños. It gives it a nice spice. I like it, but for this demonstration, we're not adding avocado. And then we're just gonna, again, you might need to use a lot of lime, depending. You have to look at the bottom. Once you start getting that lime juice marinade in there, then you know you have enough. So if you pull back the ingredients and there's no lime juice on the bottom, just keep adding some until you have enough. So we're gonna squeeze this. And so again, you're gonna need quite a few of limes in this. And then we're just gonna top it off with some salt. Mix it all up. Now, the awesome thing here, Bubba, you can mix that up. The awesome thing about this is that the longer you let it sit in your refrigerator, the cooler it gets, the better it gets, because then it starts, all the flavors start marinating together. So I'm gonna show you some finished products here. There's two ways, again, you can prep this once you are done. So if you wanna do it completely raw, you can use lettuce leaf. Here, you can just put it on here. So we have the TVP kind on here. You can also use a tostada, and we have the cauliflower ceviche on this one. And we added in a little extra guacamole on the bottom, just to give it a nice little extra fresh flavor. And so there's these two ways that you can add it. So Bubba, which one do you want to try? The tostada one? All right, he's gonna try the tostada one. I'm gonna try this one, and let's give it a go. Go ahead, Bubba. You can try yours first. Here, I'll hold the plate.
Is this the cauliflower one?
Yeah. Nice and fresh, huh? I'm gonna try this one. Oh, that is good.
Oh, wow.
That lime juice, that's good stuff. So, little thing I want to share with you, because we're using all of these different colorful vegetables, it is a great way to get all of our vitamins and minerals within our body. And I mean, it is so good for like our blood pressure. There's no cholesterol that you have to worry about. And so again, we're getting all of our nutrients that our body needs in its rawest form. And it's just a great way. I mean, like in the summertime when it's hot, it tastes so good to get that fresh lime taste. Oh man, like it's a nice meal to have on a hot day. So hopefully you all can make it at home and enjoy the food, share it with somebody else. Thank you for joining us today at Poly Vegan Kitchen.
Please like and subscribe and leave a comment.
And remember, wherever you are on your journey, there is always room at our table here at Poly Vegan Kitchen.
This is my Poly Vegan sister, Jubilee. Thank you for joining us. Tune in next time. God bless.